Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about communication and how the communication skill you develop can change your life and make your day-to-day life much easier. Let's get to it. In case if you're new to my channel, my name is Simon. I'm an entrepreneur and also I share information about investment, wellness and happiness. Thank you for coming. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do so. Let's get to it. Have you ever asked someone to repeat what they just said? Or have you been asked by someone if you can repeat what you just said? And sometimes when you don't understand what someone told you, you ask them to repeat it once and the second time. Then usually after the second try, you will give up and you don't want the other person to feel on any other ways, so you leave it at that. This happens throughout the day, whether at professional level, at home, with your friends, or anyone you deal with. Communication skill is one of the very important skills you should develop to succeed in life or to even have a better relationship, whether with your family or friends or co-workers, whether you get promoted at your job or whether running or convincing your sales team or your employees to do a better job. Communication skills comes in all kinds of different forms. The most common one is, of course, the speech. Then it goes to a body sign or signs. And the third one is your writing skills. All those three things are very important. So the reason I wanted to share this with you today is because those are the kind of stuff we don't pay attention and we don't really work hard on to develop them. Because every day, the simple things you do to change how you communicate, it becomes a nature to you once you develop a habit. So start working on it today. When we talk about speech, it's the way how you say things. It's the way how you respond. If you are loud or soft, what is your sound? What is the pitch? When you get upset, how do you respond? What are the words comes out of your mouth when you are in a bad mood or where you get upset? Versus how do you respond when you are happy and excited? Or on just day-to-day work-related or professionalism, how do you respond? How do you communicate? Those are the things you need to start paying attention and see how it can affect or change your life. When we talk about a body language, it starts from the basics, like how do you shake hands? How do you communicate? What does your eye contact look like? When someone talks to you, do you really get engaged? Or are you sitting and having conversation? Are you physically and mentally there? Or do you get easily distracted? Now with all the technologies on our hand and with the social media, it's very easy to do that. But that comes down to communication skills. When you sit down to have a serious conversation or even just having a coffee with a friend, do you put the phone on the side and get really engaged? Same thing at the job. When a coworker asks a question, if it doesn't make sense to you, do you ask them to explain? Or you just brush it off and just leave it alone? So those are the basic communication skills you need to develop and you need to work hard on. Those are the skills. It comes with experience. Those are skills that comes from doing things different way over and over again. There is no skills you cannot develop. So work on that. How is your eye contact? Do you really get engaged? Those are the simple things we don't pay attention to, but it means a lot. So let's start working on ourselves to become a better communicator. Find a book that helps you, because we all are in a different level. So the reason I made this video is so not so much to tell you what to do to be a better communicator, but to start paying attention and work on your communication skill, because that is one of the top skills you need to develop. If you listen to Warren Buffett, he always repeats that over and over again. The number one thing that changed his life is attending on Dale Carnegie's communication course. He took it when he was young, and he learned a lot from Dale Carnegie. So communication skill is very important, and it will always going to be. So work hard on it so you become a better communicator, whether at work, at home, whether with your kids or with your friends or with your co-worker. It goes a long way. This is Simon again. Thank you for watching. As always, if you didn't subscribe yet, please do so, and make sure you click the like button. It helps our channel grow. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll catch you in the next video.